Alright, today we're going to take a look at a folding knife, and it's called a mini folding knife. And this video is brought to us by a film by Quentin Tarantino called Inglourious Basterds, with Brad Pitt as the head bastard. And it's also brought to us by Monkey Shoulder, the original blended malt Scotch whiskey. Let's see, bottled in Scotland. And it's been family owned since 1887. %, which is 86 proof. This is really good. So let's take a look at these little folding knives, or at least the new one. A while ago I got this one. It is a flipper, and it's a Scalpel, has a Scalpel blade. Really nice for desktop or shirt pocket. It is a frame lock, and it does have replaceable blades. That's a number 24 blade. And here's the new one. You can see where it's made. It says new folding flipper. And there are some, I think there's 10 blades in there, so that's nice. But they're easily acquired. I think on Amazon might have them. So this is the new one, and it is closed. It is right around just about 3 inches, and it is a flipper. Flips open fast, and open it is about 5 1/4, and this thing only weighs 1.2 ounces. And you can see that is also, I think that's a 24. Yeah, it's another 24 replaceable blade. But this is different because it has a liner lock. You can see the liner lock, and it's got G10 scales. It also has a little lanyard hole. These G10 scales make this thing a lot easier to play around with, easier to grab onto, because this one is very slick. Still good to play with, but it's very slick. Now these are not normal knives, and by normal I mean a normal Scalpel is not foldable. This is a normal Scalpel. There's replaceable blades in this one. These are number 10 blades. If you have an X-Acto knife kit, you know what I mean by replaceable blades. They got tons of them. So this is going to be a really good desktop or a shirt pocket. Let's do a little cut test with this thing. It's a razor blade, so it's got to cut. Just like a razor. And we're going to do a drop test. Probably break the blade, but I'm going to try it anyway. So yeah, it sticks. It's got a sharp point. It's got a razor sharp edge. And I'm going to probably get a couple more of these. I really like this G10. The G10 grips on it. So that's the new folding Scalpel, and I think definitely the Monkey Shoulder original blended malt Scotch whiskey deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.